rain moving itself across the country during the night, but as it comes across the Lincolnshire Wolds, it starts to turn to snow. And in the East Midlands, East Anglia and the South East, more and more of that rain turning to snow later on in the night. It's actually a battle, and these are the weather fronts, the sort of dividing line between the cold air over the continent and the mild air over the Atlantic. And it's not only a weather front, but it's a band of cloud and rain, as we've seen. And there are bursts of rain around on the radar already, and 1 or 2 flakes of snow, especially over the hills in the north. But it's fine at the moment in eastern areas. In fact, there's going to be a touch of frost this evening in that easternmost part of the country. But then, as we saw a while ago, in East Anglia, parts of Lincolnshire down towards the southeast, by the end of the night we'll have some outbreaks of sleet and snow. Other parts of the country ending up fairly wet and windy, but reasonably mild in the north and west, and a cold night to come in the southeast. And then tomorrow we start off with that wintry weather in southeastern areas. In fact, it's going to hang around for quite a while, but slowly but surely during the course of the day there will be somewhat dry weather coming along from the west, and at the same time the snow turning to rain, but it may well take quite a long time. So we're going to start off in this southeastern part of England with that sleet and snow, 1 or 2 moderate falls in places, especially over the hills, but not exclusively over the hills, and a lot of wet weather in other parts of the country. Now, as I said a while ago, the snow slowly turning to rain from the west and slowly clearing away from the west. It'll take quite a long time, I think, before it gets away from areas to the east of London. And all the while, as that area of rain, sleet and snow clears away, so it will be followed in the west and north by brighter weather, but a fair number of showers, and some of those showers in the northwest itself turning out to be heavy and blustery with hail and thunder. A windy day to come, in fact a raw cold wind in that southeastern corner, although eventually we'll find the wind swinging more into the west as milder weather trickles across. The west and north not too bad as far as temperature is concerned, around about the normal for the time of year, but pretty cold, at least for most of the day in the southeastern part of England. Milder weather getting there late on in the evening. So we see the last of the rain and sleet first thing on Friday. Then we're going to have a lot of showers across the country right the way through Friday. The showers, though, tending to die out later in the day, and then on Saturday, fine to begin with, a little rain coming in from the west.